You just folded that pile. It's already on the floor again. And you feel it in your chest. That tight, done with today feeling. The deep breath that doesn't quite make it all the way in. But here's what nobody told you. What just happened on your living room floor? Neuroscientists study it. Child development experts write whole books about it. And your toddler just did it for free, in their pajamas. In the next 5 minutes, you'll never see a sock pile the same way again. Your kid isn't making a mess. They're doing a workout for their brain. When they look at that pile and decide this blue one goes with that blue one, that's not play. That's the exact mental move they'll use one day for algebra, for chemistry, for every science class they'll ever sit in. It has a name, category thinking. And once you see it happening, you genuinely can't unsee it. But to really get why this matters, we have to go inside their brain for 30 seconds. Picture your kid's brain as a brand new library. Right now, the shelves are empty. Every color they've ever seen, every word they've ever heard, every sound, every shape, it's all just dumped on the floor in a big, messy pile. No system, no filing, nothing in its place. Sorting laundry? That's how they build the shelves. Every matched sock prints a label. Every daddy's big shirt versus my little shirt builds another row. They're not tidying clothes. They're building the filing system their whole future brain is going to depend on. No shelves now? No place for the big ideas later. That's it. That's the whole thing. Here's exactly what they're building in there. 3 things happening at once. 1. Pattern recognition. 2 striped socks matched up. Same brain circuits she'll use to spot the pattern in a math problem. Same ones that help her read. Same ones that notice the weather changed. 2. Classification. Separating daddy's big shirts from her tiny ones. That's the root system of biology, of chemistry, of every science that sorts the world into groups and families and kinds. 3. Working memory, holding. I'm looking for yellow in her head while her eyes scan the whole pile. That's the same mental muscle she'll use for word problems in 3rd grade. 3 invisible skills, 1 pile of laundry, no flashcards needed. Now, watch what happens when we stop interrupting this. When a kid goes this still, when the whole body goes quiet except for the hands, that has a name too. It's called flow. Her brain is releasing the exact chemistry it needs to lock in a lasting pathway. Right now. On your rug. In her pajamas. And every time we jump in with no honey, the red one goes here. We don't just interrupt a task. We interrupt the building of a brain. I know that's a lot. Sit with it for a second. So here's your job, and it's lighter than you think. You're not the teacher here. You're the calm presence, that's the whole thing. 3 small shifts, that's it. 1. Before you step in to fix the sorting, take 1 slow breath, then ask yourself, is she frustrated, or am I? Most of the time, it's us. 2. Swap good job for something softer. Try you found 2 that match. Description, not praise. Praise pulls her out of flow. Description keeps her in it. 3. Let it be messy. The goal isn't a folded basket. The goal is a kid who learns her focus is trustworthy. The laundry gets folded. It always does. But this window, where socks are the most fascinating thing in the world, it closes faster than you think. My child is not making a mess. They are organizing their mind. Next time you walk in and the socks are everywhere, pause. That's not chaos on your floor. That's the early architecture of a scientist.